What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on THENA because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy, and also right now we are forming several interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, or if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit in this bull market, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 30-minute chart. As you probably know, this coin was listed a few days ago on a Binance and other exchanges. And right now, after let's say something around like 1700% pump, we are having here first small correction. This correction is having like 28% of a net market, and right now, in my opinion, we are forming here several interesting trading setups. The first one will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.54 and 2.42, and in case of a liquidity grab under this area and then a support confirmation, this can be, in my opinion, really great opportunity. The liquidity grab here is extremely important if you want to avoid fake outs, and is also really important if you want to catch a bottom of a dump like this. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's say the stop loss will be like something under 7% of a net market. And the last take profit target, in this case, you can place either under this bearish order block, which is between levels 3.89 and 3.74, or you can place it above this first bearish order block, which is between levels 3.37 and 3.29, or if you really want, you can, for example, place it under $5 mark, which is, in my opinion, next important psychological resistance. All of these trades are having really great risk reward ratio. This first trade is having risk reward ratio up to 5.6. The second potential trade is having like 8.8 approximately, and the last one, if I will place it slightly under that, it's like 15.02. Of course, these risk reward ratios are not gonna be the final ones, because in a trade like this, you always want to take multiple take profit target. So even if you are gonna speculate to the first bearish order block, some of the profits you need to take under this important low, which is level 2.83. Then, for example, somewhere around like this area, which is area of a high liquidity, especially on the 30-minute chart. And then some of the profits you can save to the last take profit target. So this is the first scenario. And if you will, for example, choose to have your last take profit target above the second bearish order block, then of course you probably need to take like all of these three take profit targets, and then again you can save some back to the last one. And if you will speculate under that $5 mark, you will just add one more take profit. So for example, in the last scenario, from the risk reward ratio like 15.0, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 10, 11, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still absolutely amazing trade. Of course, this is not the only setup that I'm watching on this coin, because there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna like retest this area. I think it will be really great, and right now there is still some probability that we will. But if there will be a pump from this level, then I'm watching here this another setup. I'm gonna ignore this bearish order block, which is, in my opinion, only good as a potential take profit target. But in this case, I will watch this second bearish order block, and here I'm waiting for a breakout and then a support confirmation. The support confirmation here again is extremely important if you want to avoid fake out. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target, in this case, you want to place slightly under $5 mark, which will give you, in this case, risk reward ratio like 5.27. If you want, you can again place on a higher take profit target if you want to have your better risk reward ratio. So you can, for example, choose like $6 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance, or like $7 mark. It depends on the risk reward ratio that you want to have. Me personally, for a trade like this, I would choose like something slightly under $6 mark, which will give you risk reward ratio around 13.5. 0.57. Again, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take under the current all-time high, then under 4.5, 5.5, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk-reward ratio is gonna be like 8, 9, something like that, which is in my opinion another absolutely amazing setup. If you are interested, what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit in this bull market, we can look at it in like two ways. The first way is based on the technical analysis. For this, we need to check the situation in which it was announced that this coin is gonna be listed on Binance and other exchanges. It was, as you can see, exactly right there. And after this news, this coin did a pump around like 600% of on its market. This is quite usual because always coins that are listed on Binance or on some else bigger exchange, these coins are usually pumping. But the, let's say, usual scenario is also that after this huge pump, this coin is slowly decreasing to its original prices. But this wasn't the case because you can see this coin heavily continued with its pump. So me personally, I think that at least this coin in this bull market is gonna hit like $6 mark. But this is quite a bottom because if you will see the market cap, you can see that it's still kinda low. So if this coin will become popular, which of course it's a bull market, there is pretty high chance that this coin is gonna pump. We can also get to the prices something around like $15 to $20, something like that, which will be from the current level a pump around like 400 to like 600%. Of course, it doesn't mean that right now you should put all of your funds in this coin. If you want to gamble on a coin like this, definitely do it with small portion of your investing or trading portfolio. And if I will, for example, open here some trading positions, I will definitely do not risk more than, for example, like 1% of my trading account. Only if the setup will be really good, I will risk like 1.2, 1.3%, something like that, but definitely not more, because trading on a coin like this is still pretty big gamble. And if this trade will go in your favor and you will trade it, especially with leverage, you will do really high profit. But if this coin will dump, then you definitely want to have here a small loss. To summarize that, right now I am watching this coin really closely because, as I said, we are forming here several interesting trading setups. So if any of these setups will be valid, I will definitely let you know in my Discord trading group. So if you want to join, link to join is in the description or in the comments. And today is actually the last day in which you can take advantage of a 30% Black Friday discount on my VIP membership. This is the biggest discount that I ever did. So if you want to check it out, as I said, all important things are in the Discord group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if I will get back to that prediction, I am thinking that this coin in this bull market, which will be also probably happening in 2025, will hit at least like that $6 mark, which is from the current level a pump around like 100% of net market. And the peak that I'm seeing for this coin can be somewhere in between like $15 to $20. And the reason why this range is so big is that this coin is still really small market cap. So, you know, like the gap from the prices that I'm predicting needs to be kinda big. But yeah, guys, as I said, this will be all from me for today. If you like this analysis, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. And I will see you in my next video. See ya.